In this training, we will teach you how to manage your storage and view your storage statistics. You'll also learn how Mozenda tracks and bills storage on your account. Each account comes with a fixed amount of allowable storage. Any storage used over the allowable amount incurs a storage fee. The three items in your account that use the most storage are an agent's data collection, web files collected by an agent, such as images or PDFs, and file packages, which are copies of the agent's web files after being prepared for download. We'll go over each of these items and how to manage them. First, let's go to an agent's data collection. When the Run Now button is clicked, an agent will automatically delete all data from previous jobs. This is a default setting, which you can view by opening the Settings window in that agent's dashboard. I notice that the Delete Old Items checkbox has been activated. By default, Mozenda deletes old items each time my agent runs. This helps to keep my storage at a minimum. Other features that can significantly increase the size of large collections are activating tracking history and using unique fields. Tracking history saves a copy of every change made to the data in a collection. If my agent is scraping data that changes frequently and scrapes a large amount of data, this will increase the amount of storage that this agent uses. Marking fields as unique requires Mozenda to index all the data in each unique field. This will increase the amount of storage used by large data collections. Agents that collect images or files attach those files to their associated records in the data collection. This means there will be two types of data stored with each record: the text and the files associated with that data, represented here by the file's URL. This increases the amount of storage used by the data collection. Because the web files are permanently associated with records in the collection, emptying the collection also deletes the associated web files. To empty the collection, choose Empty from the toolbar in the agent dashboard and click Yes. To keep your collection from continually getting larger, make sure the Delete Old Items checkbox is activated, as discussed earlier in this video. This will ensure that no more than the files from one job are stored in this data collection at any one time, by deleting old data every time new data is obtained. When an agent that collects web files finishes a job, a file package is created. You can see the file package by opening the Export window and clicking on the Images and Files tab. A file package is a copy of the web files in the data collection that have been prepared for download. This means that after every job, there are two copies of the web files from that job, one in the collection and one in the file package. File packages are not connected to the records of the data collection, but rather to the agent itself. Even when the Delete Old Items checkbox is activated or the data collection is emptied, file packages are not deleted. Doing so will only delete data records and their associated web files, but not the copies of those files contained in the file packages. File packages must be deleted manually in the Images and Files tab of the Export window. Or by deleting the agent. Let's go to the Account Summary page. In the Storage section, you'll see the date and time of the moment of peak storage, which updates once a day. So when a user deletes data, that change will be reflected here up to 24 hours later. This information updates when a higher peak is reached during the same billing period, and at the start of a new billing period, when all storage statistics reset to reflect the current storage use. The moment of peak storage is used to calculate billing for your account. Overage fees are charged if the moment of peak storage for that billing period exceeds the subscription limit, even if the current storage is below that limit. To get storage statistics for each agent, click Download Collection Storage Statistics. This will download a CSV spreadsheet to your computer. This shows the number of records and the memory space used by each data collection for each agent in your account. This includes only text data. Memory space used by web files or packages is not reflected here. Let's recap. The items that use the most storage on my Mozenda account are 1. An agent's data collection, 2. Web files collected by that agent, and 3. File packages. There are two basic methods for managing the storage used by these items. 1. Make sure the Delete Old Items checkbox is activated in the Agent Preferences and turn off Track Changes. This will keep the data and any web files from unnecessarily accumulating. 2. Delete each file package after downloading. This concludes the training on managing the storage used in your account, including storage tracking, billing, and viewing storage statistics.